In today's video, I'll walk you through how to embed a HubSpot call to action, also known as a CTA, onto an external website step by step. This guide is made for beginners, so don't worry if you've never done this before. A call to action is usually a button or banner that encourages visitors to take action, like signing up or contacting you. HubSpot allows you to use these CTAs not only on HubSpot pages, but also on other websites. Let's start inside your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, go to the main menu and open the Marketing section. From there, find and click on CTAs. This will take you to a page where all your existing calls to action are listed. Choose the CTA you want to use on your external site. This could be a button, image, or any other style you've already created. When you click on that CTA, look for the option that says Embed. This is where HubSpot provides the code you'll need. You'll see a block of embed code on your screen. Simply copy this code to your clipboard. This code is what allows your CTA to appear and function correctly outside of HubSpot. Now head over to the external website where you want to add the CTA. This could be any platform that allows custom HTML, such as a website builder or content management system. On that site, look for an option to add an HTML or code element to your page. Once you find the code or HTML block, paste the embed code you copied from HubSpot into that area. After pasting the code, save your changes and close the editor. When you preview or publish your page, you should now see your HubSpot CTA displayed exactly where you added the code. Visitors can click it, and HubSpot will track the activity just like it does on your HubSpot pages. That's all it takes to embed a HubSpot call to action on an external site. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.